Hello guys, this is Maduba John from MJCdesigns. Today I'm going to show you how I did the roof of this building. I'm going to show you how I did the different levels of the roof, and also I'm going to show you how to add gable end on the roofs. So before I proceed, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel so you don't miss videos like this. Now let's get started. So the first thing you do is go down to your roof plan, okay, and go to the top, your roof level, activate your roof, make sure this is activated and this is also activated. As you can see, it is called complex roof. So that means we want to do a complex roof, that is roofs that are not practically rectangular or square shapes, that had different shapes. So we're just going to trace it like so. Okay, follow the shape. Going to follow the shape just like that. So I'm going to do something here right now, because the roof, I'm going to just follow another shape in front of this place, because if I go back by pressing backspace, if I follow this line, it's going to be like one, and the particular type of roof I want to achieve won't be achieved. Okay, so that's why I'm going to just follow another line so that I can treat you see what we are driving at. Hold down your shift to get the, so that you don't have bent lines. While you do it, you can hold down your shift till you get a perfect straight lines, perfect vertical and horizontal lines. You can still release your shift if you want to move your mouse. Okay, don't go holding down your shift and all that. Then we close it here. It will close. Now, what I didn't show you was that I didn't show you but before you start tracing all this, you go to the roof, your roof settings. Make sure this is in 0. This figure, the offset here, is in 0 so that it doesn't offset. If it offsets when you finish, let's say before it was actually any amount, I'm going to put an offset. Now you will see the effect of it. Let's say we have 800 or 600. Now you see it has extended to all. So that's the essence of that offset, to extend. So that offset is because I just want to actually trace that line without the roof offsetting beyond that line. That was why I put it to 0. Okay, so that's been said. So what we are trying to achieve right now is we want this particular place and this place, this one and this one, to be on another level. We're going to split this roof before we will be able to achieve it. You just select your roof, right click, and then you see split into single plane roof. Then you click it and say split anyway. Then you click it, click that option. So what we'll do, you notice that the roof has been grouped. Before you can work on each plane, you would have to ungroup or you suspend the group. So the best way to do it is to suspend the group. So by suspending the group, when you click your roof, you click this. It means that it has been suspended. Suspension means that you can now work on one of it. You understand? You can work on each. You can select each plane individually, just like that. So being able to select it, you'll be able to work on it individually. That is the essence of suspending a grouped grouped element. It can work with every other thing you grouped. So when you're done with the when you're done working on the object, then you uncheck that so that they will work as an entity. So we're going to suspend this group, this stuff right now, and then we're going to pick this, and this. This is because we want another level on this, so we just raise it up. After you've selected it, Ctrl D on your keyboard and move it up, just like that. Okay, just like that. We're going to work on the closure of it. We'll adjust that. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Select by selecting different multiple plane. You just hold down your shift and you select, then you raise it up. Now that's fine. Forget about the space you have there, we'll adjust it. The same thing you do here. Now you see it has different level. That's how you get to a different level. But now we're going to go to joining the roof to make it look normal. Okay, we can do it on 3D or on plan, so anyone that suits you. We are going to just adjust it a bit, by clicking the face, the straight face here. Okay, and then activate this, click this offset edge and shift it. Now you see you're good to go here. We are going to close this space right here. Okay, like this. Now this is the space. We are going to add to it. Click a point to create a node. I want to create a node by clicking that. So you create the node, then you extend. You drag that point and extend it. As you can see, it's closed. You do the same here. Now our roof is good to go. This is how to create a complex roof. I'm going to show you how to give it a gable end. Okay, we want to create a gable end here. So we want to create a gable end right here. Depends on the type of gable end right you want to create. If you want to create a short one that extends to this side, or you want to create a full one, it all depends on you. So what you do, if you want to create a short one, go ahead and click the roof. Just make sure that your roof, the group is suspended so that you can work on each plane. Just like that. Click the other one. Okay, create a node. This is what you click when starting a node. Then you drag this and drag this node. Now that is it. You can as well push it up if you want a full blown gable. Okay, just like that. If you actually want a full blown gable, so this is how you just push it up like that, and you delete this because you don't need it again. You get, so you don't need it again, and you put your roof or whatever design you want to do with it. So that's it. I'm going to undo because I want the short one. I want to work with the short gable end here, this one right here. So we are going to also adjust this. Okay, creating a node here. Okay, then you adjust the other node down here, just like that. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the same thing you do here. If you want to create here, the same thing you do, the same method, the same thing you do here. We are just going to do it on this one. So follow the same method you do, and follow, if you have something like this on your roof, just follow the same method, the same thing. So I'm going to put a cover right there for ventilation. So we're going to look for something right there in the object. Go down to the object, search for maybe louver, think okay. Now this is what we're going to use. This is the right object to use. So you can work on the settings, louver width, trim this, that, just like that. Just put it here. Okay. Okay, then put it at the center. Make sure it is exceeding this. Okay, we can't seem to adjust it. Then we are going to just get the measurement of this point to this point, which is 2,926. Okay, then you go ahead and say 2,000, the width 2,926. Okay, and take it down to the center again. Let's see it in our elevation. Make sure you raise it up. I'm just going to raise it up by, let's say, 4,500. Let's see what we have. Okay, take it down. Now okay, you can pull now and stretch the height. You can extend it if you want to. Okay, so you can see, you see the space right there. So that is this is the right, you get, this is the right tool to use for this for vent. Okay, this is the right tool to, not wall. This is the right tool to use. So what we do is, after shifting it back, okay, I want to crop it. Just select the object, okay, and crop just like that. And that's looking practically, that's looking really nice. You can adjust the lever width, maybe 100. You want to, I just play with the settings. You can see it's bigger now. Okay, so with this format, water can't find its way in, but breeze, okay, can find its way in. So you don't have, your roof does not get really hot inside. That's the essence of this piece, and this is the right tool to use, not to do something else. So I didn't say something before we started, but you have to make sure that your roof, look at, if you check, my roofs are right there on the edge of my concrete fascia. So what you do is, before you start roofing, when you click, select, when you activate your roof, go to the roof settings and change the thickness. Okay, make sure you change the thickness and make sure you activate this and put this to 1. Okay, I'm going to show you why. If this is actually like this, as you can see, you can see right there, you can see this right there. Let's increase the thickness to 300. This is what you're going to be seeing. This is what you're going to be seeing at the edge of your roof, which we don't want. Okay, so just go back and put it to the normal 25 and activate this. If you are using concrete fascia, make sure this is activated. Okay, make sure this is activated. So you can see it has angle right there. As you can see, if this was actually thicker than, you see what we have, which we don't want. So it's better to just, when you activate this, you put it to 1. So you can see to be just a plain stuff. So you go ahead and change your thickness to 25. Okay, so we are going to do this. Let's draw this. think you're good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share to your social media. Comment in the comment section below. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel so you don't miss awesome content like this. And remember the bad John. Bye bye.